Hi tiny business owners, and welcome to a video that I'm calling Why WordPress. And I'm going to be taking you on a spin through WordPress and discussing 5 characteristics that make WordPress the #1 platform to be running your tiny business. And the first characteristic is flexibility. What you want in 2010 and beyond is a website where you can log in like I just did here and get into the back end of your website, where you can make changes to the website very easily. Things like hopping over here to posts and adding a new post. You want your site to be flexible and have the ability to easily add valuable content for your target market. Adding content to a WordPress site is really that easy. You're going to add a title and add some text, and then you're going to come over here and either publish or save the draft. If we publish the draft, then the content goes live to the internet. It's really that simple. So if we go back to my website and take a look, you can see that my new post is now live. So the #1 characteristic that you want with a website platform is the ability for that platform to be flexible. The second characteristic you're looking for in a good website platform is discoverability. In other words, you want both people and search engines to be able to find your website very easily, index that content in the search engine's case, and return it for search engine results, which will gain you traffic. A good website platform is going to have the ability to edit URLs, which you can do right here in WordPress. Edit headings, which is here, and also the titles and meta descriptions on each page or blog post. So if we head down here to this plugin through WordPress, we can see a plugin called the All-in-One SEO Pack, which is giving me the ability to manipulate the title on the page and the meta description. Now, whether you understand those SEO elements or not, they are pretty simple to learn, and you want your website platform to have the ability to manipulate all of these tags. So if we go to my website and have a look at the page where this post resides, you can see up here that we've got a keyword phrase here that we're targeting called checking the Google index. We also have it here called checking the Google index, and as well as, you know, I've included that keyword phrase in the website copy as well for proper SEO purposes. So discoverability is an extremely important part of having a good website platform. Now, thirdly, you also want your website platform to be very shareable. So let's take a look at some elements that are built right into WordPress that allow you to share the content on your website. It allows your website visitors to easily share with their network the content of your website. Up in the upper right hand corner, we have receive each new blog post in your email inbox. That is something that's very easy to configure via WordPress. An email newsletter sign-up form, which is also extremely easy to configure using WordPress. Over here we've got subscribe with an RSS reader, which is another way that people consume content. We've got a Facebook fan box over here, which is a very easy plugin to add to WordPress, as well as some like buttons down here, which are becoming very popular today. So what you want in a good website platform today is you want the ability to allow website visitors to easily share your website content virally using the various social networking tools and email and so forth available on the internet. Now, fourth, You want this content to also be interactive. You want people to be able to leave comments about things, ask you questions, vote on content, etc. But you want people to have the ability to interact with your business on your website rather than just have a static brochure type website. WordPress built in is a very interactive website platform. You can see on this post, I kind of hit a nerve with some people, and we had a nice discussion here about internet marketing and etc. And it created a much richer experience for those people visiting, and it creates a community around your business on your website platform, which is exactly what you want. It builds loyalty amongst your customers and prospects by making them a part of something, a part of your business, a part of your community. Now, the last major characteristic that you want to see in a good website platform is automation. When you create content on your hub, if you will, which is your website, you want that content to be distributed throughout your various social networks without you having to manually do it yourself. Now, WordPress is able to, communicates well with every major social networking channel. As you can see, I posted this post called Analytics Addiction, an Important Weekly Internet Marketing Process. And you can see that over here on my Twitter account, that populated to my Twitter account automatically. So it went out to my 1,500 Twitter followers, etc. It also went over to Facebook, where you can see that it populated into my Facebook page, and one of my Facebook friends made a comment on that as well, Fred Miller. And so increased interaction on a very popular and powerful social networking site like Facebook and like Twitter. Now, this also gets piped over to my LinkedIn account as well. And WordPress handles the automation of the distribution of content very well. If you're looking to grow your business using the internet and the low cost tactics available on the web, the first place you have to start is your website platform. And WordPress is the #1 platform to start with.